morning, all. As per the directives of the Honorable Prime Minister and the Government of India, Comnets in Vizag, which is a part of the Eastern Naval Command, conducted this Tiranga Run today. Today we have more than 150 participants who are carrying the flag and running on the beach road. And on completion of the run, we will be opening the registrations for the Vizag Navy Marathon. Vizag Navy Marathon is in its 9th edition, and we are expecting a participation of nearly 20,000 runners for this event. Our prices have also been significantly reduced, so that more runners can participate in this. The website is open and www.visagnavymarathon.run. We hope to see you all there. Thank you.
Hi, we are from Kites Junior College. Happy Independence to everyone.
I am Harika. Wish you all happy Independence Day.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Hello Vizag. We are from Kites Junior College studying 12th. Happy Independence to one and all.
My name is Mahima Panda. We are studying in Kites Junior College. Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. My name is Akshara. I am from Kites Junior College. Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence to all of them. My name is Saipra and I am from Kites Junior College.
హ్యాపీ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే అండి మొత్తం వైజాగైట్స్ కి. మేము బీబీఎన్ తరఫున ఈ ఫ్రీడమ్ వాక్ అనేది ఈరోజు చేస్తున్నాం అండి. మా మెంబర్స్ అందరం కలిసి ఫ్రీడమ్ ఫైటర్స్ కి ట్రిబ్యూట్ మా తరఫున తెలియజేయడానికి మన కాళీమాత టెంపుల్ నుంచి పామ్ బీచ్ సర్కిల్ వరకు ఈ ఫ్రీడమ్ వాక్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. దీని ద్వారా అందరూ యూనిటీ ని ఇంకా స్ప్రెడ్ చేయాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో మేము ఈ ఫ్రీడమ్ వాక్ చేస్తున్నాం.
హ్యాపీ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే అందరికి. ఈ ఫ్రీడమ్ వాక్ అనేది మా బీబీఎన్ తరఫున ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నామంటే మన ఫ్రీడమ్ ఫైటర్స్ మన కోసం చాలా రక్తం చిందించారండి. సో వాళ్ళ కోసం ఈ ట్రిబ్యూట్ మేము చేస్తున్నాం. సో కాళీమాత గుడి నుంచి పామ్ బీచ్ దాకా ఈ ఫ్రీడమ్ వాక్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో దట్ అందరిలో అవేర్నెస్ తీసుకురావాలి, అందరికి ఎంతూజియాజం తీసుకురావాలి. హ్యాపీ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే.
It's a 78th Independence Day, Andy. Wish you a happy Independence Day. Today we are doing a freedom walk. It's a tribute to our freedom fighters. So I'm happy to be part of this event. Thank you, BBN Ashoka team, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Wish you all and each and everyone a happy Independence Day. So independence is a valuable respect and each and everyone to a valuable words and valuable respect. So everyone gives a Indian to give a respect, a valuable words to each and everyone. So thank you, my regards. A happy Independence to all my dear societies.
For Independence Day we do usually the Independence Day run from Novotel to Novotel back. This year we have Sunil and Mahesh with us. Yesterday evening 5:30 they started the run to complete 77 kilometers. Every year they do on Independence Day run. Now they just completed. So we all with 100 people from Vizag Runner Society. With them we came from Park Hotel accompanying them. We came up to the Kali Temple. We request everybody to come forward and register for Vizag Marathon on 1st December 2024. It is one of the best marathon. It has conducted twice in a year. Everybody enjoyed. It is a family event. It is a Vizag event. Mana Vizag, Mana Marathon. Mana Vizag, Mana Vizag, Mana Marathon.